High above Earth, traveling at 17,500 miles per hour, floats humanity's greatest achievement in space cooperation, the International Space Station. A marvel of engineering, built piece by piece over 20 years by 16 nations. But how did it get there? The answer lies in the carefully choreographed dance of rocket science. Stage 1. The rocket's purpose. Every launch begins with a mission. For NASA and its partners, rockets carry critical payloads, science modules, astronaut crews, or supplies. The ISS alone required over 40 assembly flights, each component launched separately and connected in orbit like cosmic Lego. Stage 2. The launch sequence. The countdown begins. At T0, engines roar to life, generating millions of pounds of thrust. The rocket climbs on a pillar of fire, fighting gravity. First stage, burns for 2 to 3 minutes, then detaches. Second stage, takes over, pushing payloads toward space. Fairing jettison, the nose cone peels away in orbit, exposing satellites or the ISS module. Stage 3. Delivery and operations. For ISS missions, spacecraft perform a delicate orbital rendezvous, docking autonomously or with crew assistance. New modules are anchored using Canada's robotic arm. Meanwhile, rockets like SpaceX's Falcon 9 make history by landing their boosters, reusable technology slashing costs. From launchpad to orbit, each flight is a symphony of precision, a testament to human ingenuity. The ISS, sustained by these launches, has hosted over 3,000 breakthrough experiments, from cancer research to Mars mission prep. And this is just the beginning. Next stop, the Moon, Mars, and beyond.